smiling while their girlfriends knelt to their lap. I go home all alone, I wish that I was better from to get a little kicked up.